On this episode of Fixing It, see that the headlight bulb actually burnt out. If we turn on the high will come on. So the high be working, but the low beam doesn't work. So we tore this one apart and figured out that this bulb did just burn out. But before I actually tore that apart, first I went to the main fuse box under the hood, tested all the relays. Then we went to the fuse box in the cab, found these two fuses here. One of them's the headlight and the other one's the interior. Tested both of those, so they were good. The fun part about these new LEDs is they're polarity specific. So if you actually look at the wiring, it's reverse polarity. Regular polarity, they just didn't work. So that's something you're gonna need to watch out for. Another thing you need to watch out for switching out these HID with LED is that they have the same light profile. This is cylindrical bulb. So we need to find one with a similar profile to actually fit into the headlight unit. Then this is a H1 connector, which most of these LEDs do not come with. So we had to order a specific adapter to actually plug the LED into the wiring harness. So you plug in there, these have a little bit of cover on them. Probably gonna slide those over as best as I can, tape them up. Then this connector here I'm gonna need to tape up as well. So I got the connectors pushed back, taped this up, then also taped up this connector because it wasn't well suited to be left in the open. Originally it just sat back in this, but with this cooling fan it's not gonna be able to sit back. Now I got that taped up, should be waterproofed. The only thing I'd be worried about is getting water on the shroud, but hopefully when it sits back into that hole, that shouldn't be an issue. Got both headlights replaced. As you can see, we got the headlight working, but before you start buying stuff, make sure you check the relays, check the fuses, and we popped out the bulb to double check. Then we also had to check that the profile of the LED bulb would actually fit and make sure we get the right adapters. I hope this guys helped you, and thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, and leave a comment.